everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a happy, healthy New Year coming up soon. I can't believe that we are headed into 2022. Oh my gosh, 2022. That's just crazy. It's gone so fast, it's unbelievable. All right, so today is quick and easy, which this little treat box is so cute. It's so easy. Oh my gosh. Y'all have to have this little stamp set. He is so cute. And he is free during Sale-a-bration. January 4th starts Sale-a-bration and our new mini catalog. If you do not have a demonstrator and you would like a catalog, there is a request a catalog on my blog. It's at the very top banner. If you hit that and fill out the form, I would be happy to send you one out in the mail. For those of you who've already requested them, I have some ready to go. They're going out today in the mail. Some have already gone. But because of the holidays, it was so crowded. I went one day and it was over an hour wait to just get to the front of the line. So I did that a couple times and I was like, I can't do it again. It was just terrible. So they are going out today. All right, so here is the awesome Otters. This is going to be super popular, y'all. I know, it's just so dang cute. The sentiments are so cute. It says birthday time. You are utterly awesome. We're using it's birthday time today. And then I'm using this little otter with the little hat. But this is free with $50 purchase during Sale-a-bration. I'm also using the sunshine and rainbows. And this is also a Sale-a-bration item. It's perfect for birthdays, for all occasions. This actually coordinates with another set we have, and I think it's Rainbow Happiness or something like that. I can't remember. Hang on just a second and I'll grab it. Yeah, Rainbow of Happiness. This goes with this one. It coordinates with that. But it's so great for other things as well. I love the rainbows, but I'm going to just, if you saw my haul, you saw all these already because I went through them all. But look at how cute. Little clouds, and I believe that our cloud punch punches out these clouds as well. But so happy and cheerful. I love it. So it is another one that is free during Sale-a-bration. All right, so let's get started on this guy. What is he holding? Is a little Debbie's birthday. Look how cute. It matches it perfectly. And that's what gave me the idea, actually. And these are so good for little birthday treats, like for your coworkers, for kids at school, for their birthday parties. Just get them for the kids in their classrooms. And these are the ones here. So these are the Little Debbie birthday cakes, and there comes 8 in here. So there's quite a few, I think, in here. So this is Pool Party on this one, but I am using Melon Mambo on the next one, just to show you a different color. This is the same, this banner is the same paper, it's just the opposite side. It's the same designer series paper, and this time I didn't mat the sides. I'm going to mat the sides for you so I can give you the measurements for the sides as well if you want to do the sides. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and stamp our little otter and color him. I like doing this part first to get it all out of the way and ready to go. So we are going to, he's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute set. So we're going to do him, and then we are going to do the little hat. We do have to fussy cut these. So if you have a scan and cut, you can scan these and cut them as well. While we have this out, let me go ahead and stamp the sentiment. And the sentiment, I just cut a 1/2 inch piece, and we'll just cut it down when we are ready to put it on there. So it says, it's birthday time. Isn't it cute though? The font is really cute on this too. All right, so we are coloring him, and we're coloring the hat, and I've got a bunch of colors because I wanted the hat to match the paper, so I'm using a lot of the colors. We're just using light and dark crumb cake for him, and we are going to use the light smoky slate for his nose. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that really quick. And let me go ahead and zoom in for you. And I'll probably just speed this one up as well because I know you've seen me color a lot. And then all these colors are in this designer series paper. So it's Pool Party. This is Melon Mambo, Granny Apple Green, Pumpkin Pie. This is for his cheeks, which is the dark petal pink. That's for his little blush cheeks. And then this is the Night of Navy. So we're using those all for the hat. All right, so let's go ahead and color him. Okay, so he is all colored and ready to go. I'm going to zoom you back out, and we are ready to fussy cut him. All right, so there you have them. Aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I am going to put his hat on him, his party hat, because he is going to a birthday party. So let's put his hat on. How cute is that? Look at him. He's so cute. All right, let's get the box made. So for the box, what you are going to need, a piece of, this is Melon Mambo. Like I said, I used Pool Party for the other one. It's 8 by 5.5. You need 2 to mat the front and back. These are 1 3/8 by 4 7/8. These are for the sides, 7/8 by 4 7/8. And for the top and bottom, these are 1 3/8 by 7/8. And then the belly band part that I put on is the same designer series paper, only the opposite side, and this is 1.5 by 6. So that's everything that you need right there. We're going to score this. We're going to score it on the 8-inch side at 1/2, 1.5, 6.5, and 7.5. And then you're going to turn it, and on the 5.5-inch side, you're going to do it at 1/2, 2, 3, and 4.5. And this fits that little Debbie's cake perfect. But you can put candies in here. You don't have to put the little cakes. You can put Hershey's Kisses, anything like that in these, any of the small candy. All right, what we're going to do here now, this with the 1/2-inch sides on this, both have 1/2-inch sides. These are going to be the top and bottom of this box. So what you're going to do is we are going to cut this off here. This is the other 1/2-inch. This is going to be our glue tab. So we're cutting these off. So there's our glue tab there. Now we're going to also cut this off right here. I'm going to do the same on this one. Then you're going to cut down on each one of these. This one you are going to cut in half. This one on this side you're going to cut in half. These are our little flaps. You know, I love to put the flaps inside. These are the little flaps. And then I'm going to cut into this so it folds easier into the box. We're going to do the other side the exact same way. We're going to cut down here on both of these. I'm going to cut these in half. I'm going to cut this one in half. Cutting into these for our little flaps. And then we're going to cut this too. And that's what it's going to look like. All right, let's clean this up and get this together. Now, if you want to mat it, you can go ahead and mat it now. I'll go ahead and do that. I usually mat them after because I feel like I get them more centered when I do it after. But I'm going to sharpen these first because they all need to be sharpened up. All right, so this is the outside. So we are going to get our matting pieces here. And I think I'll just use my wet glue. So let me get this ready to go. All right, so now you can put tear and tape on here. You can use your Stampin' Sale Plus. That's what I'm going to use on here. I got to find one that didn't run out of tape. I'm just going to fold that over, and then these are the sides. You can actually glue this if you want to, but I'm going to grab another little Debbie here, and we're going to put that inside. And it fits perfectly. There you go. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my belly band and I'm just wrapping it around. And I will just sharpen the corners like that with my fingers. This is just easier for me. And then I usually just sharpen them here. I'm going to again I'm going to just run this down the center. That's usually how I do it, and then on the ends. And depending how you want your box to open, the other one I had it going this way as my front, but I think I'm going to turn it this way this time. And just line that up on the back. I guess I'm doing it the other way because I like this side to be where we put our little otter, because that's where the flap is. All right, and you don't even have to glue this on. You can just slide it up and down if you want. All right, we're going to grab some dimensionals. And then we are going to put them on him. And he goes on the belly band. Right there. And then we're going to get our sentiment, and I am going to cut this. I'm going to banner the ends. And then he's going to hold that there. And we're just going to add a couple little mini dimensionals, one on each end. And there you have it. I like the Melon Mambo, it's so cute. So there it is. Here is the other one. They're both cute, but wouldn't it be cute for a kid's birthday party? I think it would be super cute for that. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. December is going by so fast that this is my December Hostess code. If you spend $50 and use the Hostess code this month, I'm sending out a free gift. They will all go out at the end of the month. All right, everyone, I hope you have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.